What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to enable the voiceover on Cookie Run Kingdom. So you might be wondering how to exactly enable voiceover here on your account. Well, first things first, you want to access your setting. Now at the top part of the screen, you have that 3-bar icon. Go ahead and click on it. Now from here, what we need to do is you want to go ahead and click on settings as you see at the very bottom of your screen. Now in here, you want to look for voiceover. Now, you want to make sure that you set this to on so that you could basically use voiceover. You could also change the volume for it if you want to. So you can move down the bar in here or the slider. And if you go to language here, you also have the option to switch over to a different language for your voice. Now, you could go and choose Dutch or even French here, and even Korean if you want. Now, in this case, that's how you exactly enable voiceover here on Cookie Run Kingdom. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.